Hello everyone, this is Aditya Rai, roll number 21AG30002. In this video, I am going to demonstrate my DIY assignment number 2nd. So for my second assignment, I have made a gas detector alarm system which detects the presence of various harmful gases and warns the user. So first of all, let us see the components I have used in the circuit. I have used an Arduino Uno R3, a gas sensor, a 5 kilo ohm resistor, 4 1 kilo ohm resistor, two LEDs, one is red and the other is green, an LCD and a piezo buzzer. Now let us go back to the circuit. For the detection of the gases, I have used an MQ2 sensor which detects various gases like methane, butane, LPG, smoke and other flammable gases. The signal generated by these gas sensors can be digital or analog. But since I have used an MQ2 sensor, it will generate an analog signal, and so I have connected it to the A0 terminal of the Arduino Uno. I have also used a buzzer and connected it to the digital pin so that once the concentration of the gases is greater than the threshold concentration which I have defined, it will start buzzing. I have used two LEDs, one red and one is green. If the concentration of the gases is greater than the threshold concentration, the red LED will be on, otherwise the green will be on. I have then used an LED to convey the message to the user. Now for getting a better contrast, I have connected the contrast pin to the ground. Instead of the 8-bit communication, since there are 8 pins on the LED, I have used a 4-bit communication, and hence I have connected on the digital circuit of the Arduino. Now let's see the coding of the circuit. So first of all, as you can see, I have named the liquid crystal as LCD, which is connected to the pin 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 of the Arduino. The red LED is connected to the second terminal, the green LED is connected to the third terminal, and so on. I have set the threshold concentration of the gases to be 400 parts per million, that is 400 ppm. Now the setup is something like this: the pin mode, the red LED, the green LED, the buzzer, the sensor. These are all output and the sensor is the input. First of all, the gas sensor will read the concentration of the gas from the surrounding to the variable analog value. Now it will check if the analog value is greater than the threshold concentration. The red LED will be turned high or on, the green LED will be turned off, and the buzzer will start buzzing up. The LCD display will show the message alert and evacuate. Otherwise, the green LED will be on and the LCD screen will display the message safe and all clear. Now let us simulate our circuit. Initially, as you can see, the concentration is less than the threshold concentration, and therefore our system displays the message safe and all clear. Now let us increase the concentration. As you can see, once I increase the concentration above the threshold concentration, the system displays the message alert, and you can hear the buzzing sound of the buzzer. And at this instant, the red LED is on. So this is it. Now again let us decrease the concentration. As you can see, now displays the message safe, and at this moment my green LED is turned on. Now let us stop this simulation. Now since I have already explained you my code, let us directly jump to the Arduino IDE and let us compile our code and see whether it is working or not. So as you can see, my code has compiled successfully, and so this is it. Thank you. Happy learning.